And we're back to learn CapCut in the year day 13. Let me show you how you can make YouTube videos. It works the same way like I've shown you in the last video for TikTok formats, but obviously you have to invert it. If we put a horizontal video here, the original format will be already what we need, the 16:9 format for YouTube videos. So original or 16:9 right here, and the ratio doesn't make a difference. But if we add a vertical clip, the original ratio will not be 16:9. We'll get this vertical, which is 9:16, and that's not really usable for YouTube. For YouTube we need 16:9, so switch it right here, and then we get the black bars. See that if I bring the other clip to the background, so the black bars are empty. Another way to fix this is to use the scaling. If you can't see that, make sure that your clip is selected in the timeline, and then you find Video Basic Scale. And here you need to scale it up. Usually it's around 370% when you have a 9:16 flipped to 16:9. This should cover all of the edges, so the black bars. And then you just left click and drag on the preview window and reposition that a little bit. Obviously it's going to cut off some of your clip on top and bottom. We can't really fix that, but if you only have a vertical shot and you want to use that on YouTube, this is the basic solution for it. So set it up to 16:9 on the ratio and then scale it up. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.